Now this next pistol you've seen many times on the channel before, but I actually picked up at the same time as I bought the Hater from Patrol Base. I bought another AAP. Now if you didn't know it, they've got a sale on at the moment. This isn't a sponsor post or anything, I'm literally just a customer. Popped on there. I wanted to pick up another AAP for a project that I'll be talking about in just a moment. But these were like 60, 65 pounds, which is cheaper than most places do them at trade price. And, you know, it's just the bog standard original AAP that you all know and love. Comes in the box. Says under one dual. It would be interesting if this wasn't the full auto model, but it is. So it is literally an Action Army AAP01 for not a lot of money at all. Let's put a bit of gas in it. But yeah, the reason why I picked up another AAP01, bear with me, let me just fill this up, is because I'm going to be doing a new series. Now this new series, on top of all the other stuff that I do of course, is going to be focusing on the application of 3D printing and the 3D printing community in Airsoft. And you guys, if you're going to go and join the Discord, the link will be in the description below. You can thank Thor for this, because before me and Thor started chatting on a daily basis, I didn't really give it a thought, and then we delve into the 3D printing. If you don't know, we're pretty much on the Discord most nights talking Airsoft, designing stuff, printing stuff. I think a lot of people jump in on the Discord channel thinking that we're going to be doing like a live show or live stream or something like that, but we're actually just 3D printing stuff and messing around. So, but there's a lot, and I won't start with AAP01 because it's very inexpensive. A lot of people use it. The community absolutely loves this pistol. They perform amazing out the box. This has probably got to be one of the best Airsoft, you know, it's not replica, but Airsoft gun releases, I think, ever. It really is just an absolute stonking product. But there's a lot of parts, 3D printed conversion kits, all kinds of good stuff that the community does for this. So I've opened it up on the 3D printing Reddit, just asking people if they want to feature their stuff. If you're a maker out there and you 3D print your own conversion kits for the AAP, I've already had a couple of people get in touch with me. The one guy, for example, does a kit that turns this into the SMG from Halo. So that's going to be really cool. And all you need to do is get in touch with me. We'll cover the conversion kit. Obviously, I'll get it made up as anybody would. A lot of these files, sometimes they're free and sometimes people charge for them on websites like Cults. So there's a couple that I'm going to be doing. There's a PPK 2000 kit, which I've got the files for, which I'm going to be making as soon as I've got some black filament. And that same user that did the PPK has also just released the Japanese Uzi or the PM9. Very, very cool looking conversion kit. So as soon as the filament turns up, I'll be doing that one as well. But my point is, if you're a maker and you make cool stuff for anything, I mean, it's got to be something that I've either featured on the channel and I've got, or more importantly, let's get it started with the AAP01. If you make cool stuff, get in touch. What we'll do is I'll feature it. I'll make it. I'll feature it on the channel. Not only that, a lot of these conversion kits don't have very good guides. So you download the files, you print them, and then you kind of like, you got to figure it out. So you can almost say, like, if we do a conversion kit on the PPK 2000, for instance, I'll be doing a guide telling you what you actually need to do the kit, how to fit it. And then if you are a maker or a designer of said kits, you can get that and use that video, you know, for the people that you're putting it out to. And it's free advertisement for those makers out there that want to get their creations shown. So it's all different. Some people do it free of charge. Some people charge money for their time spent if they've got a lot of money invested. But this is going to be a new series. This will be the first video just going through it, and then we'll get to start making stuff. It might be a while depending on how long the filament takes to turn up. But this could be a really interesting video series, I think. So stay tuned for more. It's upcoming. We'll start with the PPK and the PM9, I think it's called, which is like a really weird looking Uzi. It looks really, really cool. And as soon as I've got the parts done, we'll assemble it on the channel and we'll give it a look. So thanks as always for tuning in. Any questions on this series or anything else, put it in the comments down below. You can find the link in the Discord in the description. Come and join the community. Everyone's chatting on there. We get on the voice channels. If you do come to the voice channels, just be respectful. Don't just come into the voice channel and bombard me, Thor, anyone else with questions over and over and over again. We're doing it. It's like a pastime. It's a social thing. Give into the group as much as you want to take out. So thanks for tuning in. And as always, from me and Bench, we'll see you in the next video.